Chapter 4, Wave Searches. Continuing our video tutorial on Wisenet Wave, this video will show you how to use the thumbnail search. If, for example, you want to find a large object that has been left or been taken, we can use the thumbnail search, and I'll go to demonstrate that to you now. So here we have a car park, and in the car park on the 25th of July, a car went missing. The first thing I want to do is I want to find the car. Now I can use the standard search, but it's going to take me a very long time. There's no one here, but if I go to when everybody's arrived, all the cars are here. This car, this silver car over here, is the one I want to find. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the thumbnail search with this icon that says show thumbnails in the bottom right hand corner. Now they usually come in quite small, which makes it difficult to see any of the objects. So we can expand that by dragging up the top line, not the video line, but the thumbnail line, and you can see here the car arrived between 6 and 9:30. So we'll zoom in on that and wait for the thumbnails to refresh. There's the car, there's not the car. So between these times, zoom in again. There's the car, and it looks like someone's arrived. So we click on the thumbnail itself, and we can speed that up a little bit. And the boom is opening at the back over here. Is that the car in question? There's the car in question. So the car has arrived, and it's only taken me a few seconds to find that footage. And he's going to park it so that we know that is when the car was left. Okay. So now let's find that same car, but let's find what time it left. So I'll zoom out on the timeline. And the working day is 9 till 5. So he arrived before 9. And he left between here and here. So we'll zoom in on that. Let the thumbnails refresh. Wasn't here at this time. Okay. So now we're getting to the 10 minutes, and now we can see the minutes themselves. Wait for the timeline to refresh. And there's the car leaving. Play. So in just a few short clicks, we've been able to find when the car arrived and when the car left. Very easy. I hope that you found this video useful. Please find other chapters in this series that you will find equally useful, and have a great day. Thank you. Goodbye.